Tackle Junkies, what's going on, fellas? Today we're going to take a look at something every angler should have. Stay tuned. Alright guys, what we have here in this box is the KastKing Rod Rack. I did a video, or I did a live stream I should say, on Sunday, which keep a lookout for those. I've been doing those. I think I only missed a couple Sundays in the last couple months, but my plan is to do one every Sunday. Quite a few of you guys seem to enjoy that, so I think it's fun too. I like talking back and forth with you guys, getting to know some of you guys, so I think it's pretty cool. Do me a favor, let me know down below what time works best for you guys. When I started doing them, I was doing them around 8 or 9. It seems like I got a few more viewers doing them later. Since I was off work last Sunday, I did it earlier, which I didn't get as many viewers, but the comments kept rolling in. I thought we had a lot of fun. So anyways, let me know down below a time that works best for everyone. You know, either around 5 or 6 or 7 or 8, maybe 9. Just let me know down below. Anyways, we're going to open up this box here, get out the KastKing Rod Rack, and put it together for you guys. I had mentioned, that's what I was getting at, I had mentioned in that live stream that I had one on the way. Some of you guys are asking about them, and a few of you guys were curious how they go together, so we're just going to make this fast video and show you guys how to put it together. You can get them on Amazon for like, I think it was like around 50 bucks or so. I'll go ahead and link that down below. Okay. There she is right there. Alright guys, to save time, I got everything out of the box already. You can see it's packaged really nice so nothing gets scratched up. In shipping, I wanted to show you guys something real fast here on the box. You'll see it was the 2015 iCast New Product Showcase winner. So, pretty cool there. Of course, we got the instructions we don't need because this is very simple to put together. I mean, even Mike Watts could put this together. I mean, I'm not so sure Phantom Fishing could do it, but definitely old Wadded Fishing could get this done. That's how easy this is. Alright, so we got our parts here. Let's start with the base. Now, we'll just call these the feet. You'll notice here, okay, these holes here, you'll see like a little rivet on the inside or whatever you want to call that. This side is clean on the inside. So this will be the outside. Okay? Again, you can see the little rivets or whatever those are. Make that the inside. So we got that right there. Okay? Now get these plates, the KastKing little nameplate deals here, whatever you want to call these. Okay? You'll see these have a little, I don't know what you want to call that, little deal there. It goes in this slot here. Okay? One on either side. Okay, so push that in there, like so. The other side, like that. Okay. 1 and 2. Okay. Next, get these, we'll just call them legs. Not sure what they're called, but let's get these leg deals here. Okay. The longer black section here goes in the hole, and the slot is to the inside. Okay. Get the other one. Same deal. The longer black section here to the goes down the slot here to the inside. And then you can also take off the top caps. They just slide off. Take those off. Okay. Then we have these here. This is what holds the rods in place. Okay, you got 4 of them here, the exact same. Okay. Then you got 4 of those, and then you got 2 of these that are longer and 2 shorter. Okay, the shorter ones are up top, the longer ones are for the bottom. We'll go ahead and start with the bottom ones here. You'll see there's a hole here on either side. Okay, and there's these little push pin deals on either end. Okay. Now the bottom, okay, these face in. Okay, and you want the hole facing down when you go to put it on. So these go in, so like so. Just like that. push that little deal in there, it'll pop in place. Okay. Like so. Get the other one, do the other side. Okay, you see just like that, those little deals there, popping those holes, good and secure. And this goes down like that. Those little knobs go down, okay? Now you'll see here, you got a little dial, a little T-nut. Okay, that T-nut slides in this channel here. So that's why you took off those caps on top. So loosen up that little nut there, and then that T-nut will slide down in there. Okay. We'll level it up later on. We're just going to try and eyeball it, get it in place here. Just a few inches from the bottom there. That should work. Looks pretty good. Tighten up that nut. Okay. Like so. And we got two more of these deals here. Okay, now these face the outside. Same deal, put them together. Where are we going here? Like so. Okay. What am I doing wrong here? I just told you guys they face the other way, and here I'm confusing myself, like so. Okay, these face the outside. Okay, I don't know why that looks so confusing for a second, but I don't know. Mike Watts might not be able to figure this out. Anyways, real straightforward, like so. The other one, pop it in there, like so, okay? And again, those face down so you have a nice clean look up top. Again, loosen up your T-nuts, come up here, slide that in there, like so. Like that. Just looking at my other ones here, looks like I got them just a couple inches down. Let's eyeball that real fast, like so. Tighten up the T-nuts. I call them T-nuts. It's kind of like it's a T-bolt. I keep saying a nut, but T-bolt is what it is. Fits right there. That channel, tighten those up. Get your caps. Like that, and like that, and you are done. So you put your rod in here, and it'll lean against the top here. That easy, guys. Definitely check them out, guys. And we spent a lot of money on our rods and reels. Why not invest in a nice rod rack? Keep them from, lean them in a corner or things like that. Nice and straight, keeping things nice and organized. You're good to go. I'll go ahead and link those down below. Definitely check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. Thumbs up if you liked the video, and we will see you guys on the next one.